Integer operations. The objective of this video is to learn how to multiply or divide integers. There are two simple rules for multiplying or dividing integers. We are going to multiply and divide the numbers like normal. However, the signs will play an important factor. If the signs are different for the two numbers, then it's going to produce a negative answer. If the signs are the same, then it's going to produce a positive. You can think of plus and plus will give me a plus. Minus and minus will give me a plus. A plus or minus will give me a minus answer. So we will multiply the numbers. So 5 times 5 is 25. They are both the same, so positive answer. 10 times 8 is 80. They are both the same, so positive answer. 9 times 4 is 36, but then they are different signs. One is positive and one is negative, so a negative answer. 6 times 5 is 30. They are different. One is positive and one is negative, so a negative answer. Here we're going to find the quotient, which just means divide. Remember, even though this is a fraction is just division. So 35 over 7 is the same thing as saying 35 divided by 7, which gives me 5. Because they are both positive numbers, we produce a positive answer. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Because there are different signs, one is positive and one is negative, this will produce a negative answer. Negative 30 divided by negative 6 is 5. Because they are both the same, positive answer. 56 divided by 8 gives me 7. Because they're both positive, the answer is a positive. Now you try. Simplify these two problems. Pause your video, try and do it by yourself, and then press play to see if your answer is correct. Pause your video now. So remember, two parentheses written by each other means multiplication. This is the same thing as saying negative 7 with a dot 4. Negative 7 times 4. We no longer try and use this negative 7 with an x as multiplication because it can become confusing with the letter x. So we will no longer write multiplication like that. So this means multiplication. So we multiply like normal. So we get 28. And then because they are different signs, it will produce a negative answer. Again, remember fractions are division. So 72 divided by 8 is 9. Because they are both negative, the same sign, it will produce a positive answer. For these problems, you do not want to go straight to a calculator. That will not help you in the long run. It will make the rest of Algebra 1 more confusing if you do not remember your basic multiplication table.